With a check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. Through tonight, strong low pressure over the northern plains results in south winds gusting up to 45 in most areas and near 50 with blowing dust over western Kansas. Light rain, isolated thunderstorms, maybe just some sprinkles are possible through tonight. Most locations likely to be in the dry slot, though, as low pressure lifts to the northeast. In behind a cold front, our daytime highs cooling into the 50s tomorrow and to around 50 on Friday. Westerly wind gusts diminish to 30 tomorrow. Forecast models are increasing chances of light rain for Friday afternoon and a mix of light snow for Friday evening with a disturbance. Chances are decreasing for some light snow and rain Saturday through Saturday night as the main storm energy stays to our south. Highs drop into more seasonal levels into the upper 30s to the mid-40s over the weekend before a slight rebound to the mid to upper 40s early on next week. In the long-term forecast, Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Monday through February 20th expected to be mostly seasonal or near normal. Southern areas of Kansas could be slightly cooler than normal late next week through the 20th. Mostly near normal precipitation is likely for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through February 20th. Key weather factors driving the markets include several storms moving through the U.S., cooling the temperatures, rain in central Brazil, and rain returning to Argentina. In the Corn Belt, above normal temperatures prevail while record-setting warmth covers the upper Midwest. Today's highs should reach 60 as far north as the mid-Missouri Valley near the Iowa-Nebraska border. With lambing and calving underway in many areas, producers are welcoming the warm weather, especially when compared to the cold and snowy conditions of just 2 weeks ago. The current Pacific storm crosses the northern Rockies today and reaches the Red River Valley of the northern plains tomorrow as snow blankets much of Montana and North Dakota. Unsettled rainy weather prevails in the western U.S. through Saturday, followed by cooler and drier weather late this weekend. Rain develops across the southern U.S. late in the week, with totals greater than an inch possible from eastern Texas to the southern Appalachians. Slightly colder air builds across the northern plains and upper Midwest by the end of the week. Across corn and soybean areas of central Brazil, scattered rain continues for the next week, and widespread rain moves into southern Brazil no later than early next week. Despite the rain in central Brazil, soybean harvest and planting of second crop corn should continue at a normal pace. Argentina corn and soybean areas finally see some good rains later this week and weekend, with temperatures falling back from the triple-digit heat of last week. Heavy rain is needed in Argentina to improve the crop conditions after more than 2 weeks of dry weather. I'm Paul Perkins. That's your ag weather.